Here's a 2016 Buick Regal. Make an impression in this expectation-shattering Regal. The race-inspired accents hint at the thrilling ride ahead. It's well equipped with features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, easy key, front heated leather sports seats, configurable instrument gauges, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, automatic with driver control suspension management, and power heated mirrors. From New Car Test Drive, we found the Regal very quiet, with a very smooth ride, a welcome respite on miserable commutes, and a good partner for cross-country drives. It may be the quietest car in its class. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.